Solution of system of equations. General form of equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So here we'll find the ratios between a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 in each. So the a is nothing but the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, c is the constant. So here a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 2 by 1, c1 by c2 is minus 5 by minus 4, which is 5 by 4. So from the comparison, we can now write that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So which means it has unique solution, just one solution. And the lines are intersecting at one point. Now coming to the next example, a1 by a2 is 3 by 6, b1 by b2 is 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is minus 5 by minus 10. So here when we simplify, we get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So all of them are equal, which means they have infinitely many solution. So here, infinitely many solution, the lines coincide each other. They are on top of each other, which means they have infinitely many solution. Now the third one here is a1 by a2 is 2 by 6, b1 by b2 is 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 is minus 2 by minus 1, which is 2 by 1. So if we compare, we get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. So from this, we understand that using the condition, they are not having a solution, no solution. And the lines are parallel, they do not meet each other. So unique and infinitely many solution are known as consistent or homogeneous type, whereas no solution is known as inconsistent or heterogeneous equations. Thank you.